How to import a design from Figma to Lovable AI. Open up Lovable AI, then click on All Projects and open up the project which you want to import a design from Figma to. Now go to Figma and select your project. So I'm just going to open up this design. And once you have your design open, this is a very simple design, you will simply click on Share in the top right and copy the link. Now go back to Lovable and give it this prompt: import design from Figma, and this is going to be the link, and you just want to send it. Once you send it, Lovable AI is going to begin thinking how it can integrate your design in your web app or website, and it is going to review the import flow, so on and so forth. So I'm just going to pause and come back. Okay, so sometimes it is going to give you this: take a screenshot of your Figma design, because it can't properly give it here, it can't properly import it. So what we can do is press the function and print screen key. Then you will have created your screenshot, and then you can just paste it by clicking Ctrl+V and adding it. Now, once you have added it just like that, then it is going to review it for context, and it is going to add it to your Lovable AI website or app. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.